Here we've got some samples of alder buckthorn bark. We just use the bark from the tree and soak it, and then you heat it up gently with the fleece. The fleece needs to be actually washed before you dye because of the lanolin that's in the sheep's wool. If you tried dyeing it without washing it, you get very patchy results. So this is some of the colour that you'd get from the alder buckthorn. This plant here is weld. Now that's the first year of the plant growing there, and this is actually just stuck in the pot. It was picked, it grows quite frequently all over the place, and these bits were actually picked near Lewes Station by some railings I just spotted walking along. So if you keep your eyes open, you can sometimes spot plants that are really useful for dyeing just in the wild. The yellow you'd only achieve by mordanting it with the alum. Otherwise you get a very pale yellow, a sort of primrosy yellow, which is quite nice but not as strong as that. But the primrosy yellow is really lovely when it's over dyed with woad and you get a beautiful green, whereas you get more of a sort of bright limey green. I'm just wondering, we've probably got an example here. That's weld over dyed with woad that has been mordanted, but it makes a softer green if it hasn't been mordanted. So this one here is the woad plant, and we use the first year leaf. The second year it grows up, it's a biennial, and you get the seed, so that's the black seed. So each year you can replant the seed in the spring, and then you get the first year leaf. And it's a really complex process. Over time, people used to use different methods, and in the past they used to use either wood ash water to help create the colour, or stale urine. There were laws in the Tudor period to ban it from being in towns because of the terrible smell. But we cheat and we use something called spectrolite, so we can do the process more quickly, and we can do it in a day, whereas the previous methods took a long time, several weeks, to actually get the actual blue colour to come out. And when you're dyeing with woad, the colour in the dye vat is a yellowy colour, and you bring it out into the air, and it's the oxygen which makes it go blue, so it's very beautiful to actually watch it being done. Unfortunately we haven't got a vat here today. And this is a woad ball which is made from leaves, and in times gone by it used to be imported into this country in the form of compressed leaves like this, which then they would ferment and make into the dye.